Next, we are going to extend our row using foundation half double crochet stitches. So I'm going to do this last stitch again, this last half double crochet. And right here, the stitch that this becomes is where you're going to insert your hook to continue to extend the row. So yarn over and pull through, making your stitch. Then you're going to insert your hook, yarn over and insert your hook right there in the base of that half double crochet. And yarn over and pull through. And you have 3 loops on your hook. Just like you did your regular foundation half double crochets, you're going to yarn over and pull through just the first loop, and that creates a chain. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into that chain that you just made. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over and pull through the remaining loops. Now, every size pattern is the same. It calls for 4 foundation half double crochets to extend the row. So we're going to do all 4. And now to complete or do the next row, we're just going to chain 2 and turn the work. And you just work along the other side of that foundation half double crochet row. There's the 3rd one and the 4th one. And now we're back to the fabric that we started off with. So just continue across. Now the next thing we're going to do is showing you how to do a reverse linked stitch. So I'm going to make a short row here. I'm just going to continue to work it. I did my half double crochet stitches. Now I'm going to do 3 single crochets. Now this part is exactly the same as the regular link stitch. We're just making a short row. So we do 3 single crochets, and then we're going to half double crochet to the end.